Okay, question 22. Triangle HGK is an isosceles triangle with HG equal HK. So it's a coordinate question, so we need to draw the isosceles triangle. And as it's an isosceles triangle, so we know that perpendicular line will bisect the base. The length of JK, we need to write first, this is HJK. The length of JK is root 80. The coordinates of H is -4 and 1. Coordinates of J is J and 15. Coordinates of K is 6 and K. And J is less than 0 means when we have two answers of J, we're going to take the answer that's less than 0. Okay, negative answer. M is a midpoint, so we have M here of JK, and the gradient of HM is 2. Okay, as we have an advanced question here, coordinates, we are working on 3 rules, gradient, midpoint, and distance. And already we have gradient and distance here, so these will be the rules that we are going to work on. So first, if I have the gradient of HM equals 2, I will have the gradient of JK equals -1/2, negative the reciprocal. And we have the coordinate of J and K. We have 2 variables, so we need two equations here. The first equation will related to the gradient, and second equation related to the distance. So for the first equation, -1/2, the gradient of JK will be equal y2 minus y1, k minus 15 over x2 minus x1, 6 minus j. So it's 2k minus 30 equal -6 plus j. So we can write that j equals 2k minus 24. And this will be our first equation. Second equation related to the distance, jk. What is the rule of the distance? It's the difference in x squared plus the difference in y squared under the root. So here it's j, k distance is square root of difference in x is j minus 6 squared plus 15 minus k squared. This will be equal square root of 80, so we can cancel the square root with the square root and expand this, which is equal j squared minus 12 j plus 36 plus 225 minus 30k plus k squared. This will be equal 80. Simplify the equation. J squared plus k squared minus 12j minus 30k, and we have 36 here plus 225 minus 80 from the other side. It's 181 equals 0, and this will be our second equation. Then, as we have two equations, one linear and one quadratic, we're going to substitute j in the second equation. So we'll have here 2k minus 24 squared plus k squared minus 12, 2k minus 24 minus 30k plus 181 equals 0. Expand and simplify. 4k squared minus 24 multiply 2, it's 96k minus 24 squared 576 plus k squared minus 24k plus 12 multiply 24, 288 minus 30k plus 181 equals 0. The k squared together is 5k squared. Okay, this and this. Then the k is negative 96 minus 24 minus 30, negative 150, k plus 576 plus 288 plus 181 is 1045. We can divide three terms by 5, so it's k squared minus 150 divided 5, it's 30. 1055 divided 5, it's 209 equals 0. Then let's factorize 19 and 11. So it's k minus 19, k minus 11. So k equals 19 or k equals 11. Then let's substitute in the first equation 2k minus 24. G equal to k minus 24. So G here will be equal to multiply 19 minus 24. It's 14, and to multiply 11 minus 24, which is negative 2. As we said in the beginning, J is less than 0, so this is rejected. And the answer will be k equals 11, J equals negative 2. And that's it.